like a preview of the up-and-coming mind blower opus is simmering in my mental cauldron. Some leaders is born, some leaders is made. You gotta be kinda smart to understand what I'm saying. You gotta be strong and be smart to master the game. You got women in your circumference trying to leech your frame. You got women using their body cause they thirsty for fame. She want the diamonds on your neck, now she know where you stand. Observe the people in your inner circle and periodically test, cause they the people in position that can really hurt you. Nobody like it when they ain't on top. They only dealing with you cause you holding something they want. They only listen to you, hungry for the crumbs when they drop. Peep the colors changing their aura while they scheming they plot. I use that eye inside my mind to see the people close to me, accept them as they are, the position of where they supposed to be.